Installing a Wiremold surface outlet directly above a hot water baseboard heater is not recommended due to several safety concerns. Firstly, there is a significant fire hazard. The heat emitted from the baseboard heater can cause the insulation on the electrical wires within the Wiremold to melt or deteriorate over time. This degradation of the insulation can lead to electrical arcing, which is a dangerous condition that can easily ignite nearby combustible materials and result in a fire. Secondly, installing an electrical outlet directly over a heat source like a baseboard heater typically violates electrical codes and building regulations. These codes are in place to ensure safety and prevent hazardous installations. Ignoring these regulations can lead to fines, legal issues, and, more importantly, increase the risk of electrical fires or other electrical accidents. Thirdly, the heat from the outlet, particularly if it's in use and generating its own heat, can potentially damage the baseboard heater itself. Excessive heat exposure can reduce the heater's efficiency, cause it to malfunction, or even shorten its lifespan. This can lead to unnecessary repair costs and inconvenience. Given these risks, it is crucial to consider alternative solutions for providing electrical outlets in the vicinity of a baseboard heater. One option is to install a recessed outlet into the wall behind the baseboard heater. This placement keeps the outlet away from the direct heat of the heater, reducing the risk of insulation damage and fire. Ensure the recessed outlet is installed according to electrical codes and by a qualified electrician. Another solution is to use an electrical outlet extender. Some extenders are designed to plug directly into the baseboard heater's existing outlet, providing additional outlets for connecting devices. This option is only suitable if the baseboard heater's outlet is properly rated for the additional load and if the extender is designed for safe use with heating appliances. A third possibility is to install a floor outlet. These outlets are specifically designed to be placed on the floor, often near walls or other fixtures. When installing a floor outlet near a baseboard heater, ensure it is far enough away to avoid direct heat exposure and that it is protected from potential water damage or other hazards. Finally, if possible, consider relocating the baseboard heater to a different location where it will not interfere with the placement of electrical outlets. This may involve some plumbing and electrical work, but it can provide a safer and more convenient solution in the long run. When choosing an alternative solution, always prioritize safety and compliance with electrical codes. Consult with a qualified electrician to determine the best option for the specific situation and to ensure proper installation. Remember, it is always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to electrical work, especially when dealing with heat sources. By avoiding the installation of a Wiremold outlet directly over a baseboard heater and opting for a safer alternative, you can protect yourself, your property, and your loved ones from potential electrical hazards.